Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for insightful reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with what many are hailing as the holy grail of serums for achieving that coveted glowing skin. Introducing the SkinMedica TNS Recovery Complex. This innovative serum has been making waves in the beauty community, and for good reason. Packed with a potent blend of growth factors, antioxidants, soluble collagen, and cytokines. This serum is designed to target multiple signs of aging, leaving your skin looking youthful, radiant, and rejuvenated. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some satisfied users have to say. Impressive, right? At the heart of this powerhouse serum is its patented growth factor blend, featuring an impressive 93.6% tissue nutrient solution. This blend is formulated with over 380 growth factors and cytokines, working in harmony to diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. But that's not all. The benefits of the SkinMedica TNS Recovery Complex extend beyond just anti-aging. Users have reported enhanced skin texture, tone, and overall luminosity. It's like a rejuvenating cocktail for your skin, delivering visible results that speak for themselves. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate this miracle serum into your skincare routine. Fear not. The process is simple. Just apply it twice daily, in the morning and at night, after cleansing, toning, and treating your skin. It's that easy to kickstart your journey to radiant, youthful-looking skin. But wait, there's more. SkinMedica goes above and beyond to provide comprehensive support for your skincare journey. From their TNS Advanced Plus Serum to their Essential Defense Mineral Shield SPF 32 tinted sunscreen. They offer a range of products designed to complement and enhance your results. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the ultimate serum to achieve glowing, youthful skin, look no further than the SkinMedica TNS Recovery Complex. With its potent blend of growth factors and clinically proven results, it's no wonder why users around the world are singing its praises. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful.